Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make chicken schnitzel. It's a little bit different from the usual chicken schnitzel that you normally eat. This is a Mauritian version of a chicken schnitzel. I will show you the ingredients that you need and the steps so that you're able to make this recipe. So for this we need 300 grams of chicken breast. I have diced them here into cubes. About 2 tablespoons of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Here I have taken some chili powder, salt and pepper, and some tandoori masala. This is about 1 tablespoon. That is totally optional. You can add this if you want to, or you can use biryani masala, but I am using tandoori masala. You will also need 2 eggs, some breadcrumbs, and some water. So here in the chicken, I have added all the spices, the salt and pepper, the chicken tandoori masala powder, and the chili powder. I've also added the yogurt, the crushed onions, and the garlic ginger paste. And now I'm going to give that a good mix. I'm just going to cover this and let it marinate for about 20 minutes in the fridge. Then after that, I am going to coat it and then pan fry it. Alright, now I am going to beat the eggs. I've taken 2 eggs here and just going to whisk it. Add a tiny splash of water just to loosen it and then keep on beating. You have to beat it to make it foamy. That's done now. That's how foamy it should be. All right. So after 20 minutes, my chicken is done. I am now going to use a piece of cling film here just to flatten each piece of chicken. So I'm just going to take 1 piece or 2 pieces at a time, like so. Hold the cling film on top, and then just with my rolling pin, smash it. Like so. Fold it and just tap. That's how it should be. So now I have flattened all the chicken with the rolling pin, and that's how each piece looks like. Alright, so now I am going to take each piece of chicken, dip it in the breadcrumbs first, coat it on both sides, and then dip it in the beaten egg and fry it. Take the chicken, put it in here, coat it, then dip it in. And into the pan. Alright, this is golden on both sides, so I'm going to remove it. Let's taste this and see how it is. It looks pretty good, so I'm just gonna bite into a piece. It's good. Okay, you can have this in a burger bun or a piece of bread or a sandwich. I'm going to make a sandwich now, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. There you go. What goes in? And some ketchup. Side. That's how we eat it in Mauritius. Or you can also use bread slices to make a sandwich. So I've added some lettuce, some ketchup, and that's it. I am now going to taste this. It is good.